Hello coders, today's topic is not a new topic. It is most widely discussed topic in the world of Java. Means which one to choose. Some developers are in confusion and some decision makers are thinking what to choose, what not to choose. So that is what is the point of discussion today. In this video, we will see what is Java Development Kit and what type of Java Development Kits are available. Before starting anything, I just want to tell you, now the Java Development Kit or JDK is available in two different types. One is free to use, another is paid use. The free to use is called as OpenJDK and paid use is called as Oracle JDK. If I will say paid use, that is also again divided into two parts. Paid use of JDK means Oracle JDK license or subscription, where it is required, that also we should consider. It is required while we will go for distributing the application or the software which is built by using Java to our business, means to our client, to our customer for the business purpose. At that moment, the business needs to buy the license of Oracle JDK, but the developers or the testers, they don't need to go for buying the license of Oracle JDK. So two types of OpenJDK, let me again clear it, OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. OpenJDK is a free for everything, for the developers, for the business, for the client, for everywhere. The OpenJDK is free. And Oracle JDK, it is paid from the end of 2020 for any version wherever we will go for selling our Java based products, means the client needs to buy the license of JDK if it is built upon by using Oracle JDK, but the developer need not to pay anything for Oracle JDK. Okay, so how much amount is right now? It is not having much clarity as far as subscription fees is concerned, but at least it varies from $2.5 till $25 per month if you are going for Oracle JDK. If it is OpenJDK, then you don't need to pay anything for it. It is going to be a freeware and it is going to be the license of JNU public license GPL, which is open source. And here one important thing we should remember, OpenJDK is also available from Oracle. It is not only available from OpenJDK communities, but also it is available from Oracle community. Oracle has built its own community for OpenJDK. So we have now, or the developers have now, wide range of choice to go for choosing JDK. It is a good sign for Java, because there is a competition to provide OpenJDK with the patches, with the support. So there will be a healthy competition to provide OpenJDK. So there are 3 players right now are in the competition. One is Oracle itself. Second, you can consider Adopt OpenJDK, which is having a hell lot of support from different giants of the industry, starting from IBM, Microsoft, AWS or Amazon, Zulu. All these big names are associated with Adopt OpenJDK. And also you can consider Amazon Corretto, that is another OpenJDK with LTS, means long term support. Both Adopt OpenJDK and Amazon Corretto are going to provide at least 2024, till 2024 we will get the support. That is what, until at least, that is what they have mentioned in their websites. So let us have a look at the websites. It is of OpenJDK, of Adopt OpenJDK. So who are behind it? That is this is what is the website, adoptopenjdk.net, and here is the about Adopt OpenJDK. Here you can see the license is GPL version 2 with a class path exception, and here the support you can see it can be available for community and as well as commercial support. And if you look at this, it is available in OpenJDK 11 and as well as OpenJDK 14, whichever is good for you. 8, 11, 8, 14, all this you can use. If you look at Amazon part, the Amazon has given some description, more clarity over here. Backed by Amazon, this is what Amazon Corretto, it is backed by Amazon, it is production ready, it is having the long term support. So here it is specifically mentioned, it's no cost, and the LTS, long term support. So Amazon is committed to Corretto, running its internationally on thousands of production services. So that is what is regarding this AWS Corretto and Adopt OpenJDK, which is having a huge list of supporters, or backed by Azure, Amazon, GoDaddy, IBM, jQuery, which is acquired by Microsoft. It is also having support from Red Hat, New Relic, Pivotal. All these big names are associated with this Adopt OpenJDK. So this one seems more promising as compared to the OpenJDK from Oracle or vendor specific OpenJDK, whichever are there, means Oracle OpenJDK or AWS OpenJDK, that is what the Corretto. And here it is not specifically branded, means it's not particular company's product, it is a community. It is known as Java user group. So that is what is the OpenJDK is now available in different sources. We can go for using it. So as I said from the beginning, there is a healthy competition now available from different places or different companies or different communities for OpenJDK. So in place of going for this Oracle JDK, which will be having the requirement of license, we may go for OpenJDK, which doesn't need any kind of license from our client or from our business. So that is what, if you want to install OpenJDK, then you can go for using this OpenJDK URLs from anywhere you want to use Oracle, या फिर you can go for using adoptopenjdk.net. You can go for Amazon Corretto, that also provides the downloadable zip, but the best one I found is Adopt OpenJDK. So we will look at the installation in the next video. Thanks for watching.